Morning. Boo. Tired. It's eerie quiet out here. Early this morning. I want to say probably like 3 a.m. Coyotes no more than like probably 20 yards from me. They got something. It was bad. It was hardcore. Glad it wasn't me. Boom 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 boom. Joshua Tree, but up the tree. I don't know. Late in the afternoon here soon. Well, early afternoon, whatever, but it's gonna start getting really hot. Fucking A. Yeah, boy. They say you should bring about a gallon of water a day on a day like this. 2 gallons of water on a hot day. I brought 3 liters. I'll be okay, I think. 3 liters is close to a gallon at least. I'm hungry too. Joshua Tree is really bizarre. It's a trip, I love it.